Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Kindle Unlimited on your phone. So it's pretty simple. If you're on a computer, visit Amazon.com, log into your account, hover your cursor over the Your Account section in the top right, choose your membership and subscription from the drop-down menu, find Kindle Unlimited, click on Manage Membership, and then choose Cancel Kindle Unlimited Membership. And then you want to confirm your decision. If you are on a mobile device, open Amazon website in your mobile browser, sign into your Amazon account, tap your profile name in the top right, choose your membership and subscription, scroll down to Kindle Unlimited, open the Manage Membership menu and tap Cancel on Kindle Unlimited. Make sure that if you cancel your Kindle Unlimited membership, any books you downloaded via subscription will be removed after the next billing date. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.